Hey everyone, how are you doing? We recorded another episode of the Blackwire Militia podcast last night. This is now episode 6. So if you've been following along, please head over to Noble Tech to check that episode out. This one was a really good one. I'm not sure, this was last night we filmed it, so I'm sure after edit it will be a little bit shorter than I think it was about 2.5 to 3 hours, give or take, that we were actually recording for, which was amazing. We were on the subject of SDR radios, software defined radios. We spoke in a lot of depth about the HackRF Portapack and the RTL SDRs, a few other devices. We had the likes of Jeremiah of all trades on the podcast as well, chatting, who is an absolute legend when it comes to this stuff. Some of the other guys on the podcast, we had Noble Tech hosting, we had Hackerzilla Rex, we had Cherry Tomato, Man in the Mayhem, Jeremiah of all trades, obviously I mentioned, Equip dropped in, we had Villia, who is the creator of the uConsole AIO and the uConsole, and does a hell of a lot of work and just such a great resource to have him on with that as well. Talking Sasquatch, the great and powerful Talking Sasquatch dropped in, which was amazing to have him on, and a few of us, and if I've forgotten, as well on there. I know obviously me and Tory Squirrel, and if I've forgotten, I'm sorry. There was quite a lot of us on last night, which was amazing to have as well. So Blackwire Militia is such an amazing group to be part of, and an amazing group of guys, and the knowledge base is insane. Oh, and Jesse from Hailhound, how could I forget Jesse as well? So yeah, absolutely awesome episode. Looking forward to seeing the edit. Hopefully I'll get a link, so I'll be able to share that out as well with you once that is done. But if you haven't seen already, please drop on. There's links to episodes 2, 3, 4, 5 on my channel, so please check that out. Let us know what you think about the podcast, things you want to see going forward as well. We've touched on stuff, obviously last night was SDR radio, we've done NFC, we've done some latest devices for 2026 coming out, the E21 chips and all those sort of expressive things like that. So some really good content and some really good stuff there. So if you, like myself, have a long work commute and you want to put something on where you may learn something and not just random radio and people talking rubbish, please check us out. And again, likes and subscribes always help for us all. We want to build our community together. We want to empower people like yourselves, people that are either been in the community for a long time or people that are just starting in the community. So please, no question, stupid question, ask away, and we'll do our best to provide the answers for that and give you what you want. So yeah, thanks very much. Peace.
Whispers in the branches, eyes in the code. He's watching. Late night glow from a crack LCD, packets in the air like a digital disease. Climbing through the signal never leaves a trace. Shadow in the tree line with the masked up face. Click upload, another exploit drops. Echo through the net, hear the servers pop. You think you're safe in your firewall cage? He's already inside, rewriting your page. You hear the scratch in the wires, the static in your bones. Every move you make online, he already knows. We are the glitch in the canopy. Break the code, set the data free. Running wild in the circuitry. No the system. He learned the system.